Hey everyone, so today I'm excited. I got lucky on some of the Mart Live UK streams and yes, I managed to get 2 Labubus. These are my first from this set. Like a long time ago I got the vinyl figure ones. This was like before they were massive. And I have Look from Big Into Energy, which is the one that I wanted, so I was happy with that. And I've never actually had either of these, so I'm excited. Which one am I going to start with? I'm going to start with Have a Seat. So, yeah, here it is. Which one do I want out of this? This is the set that I like the least. I don't want any of the ones that have got their eyes closed. I don't know, I'm not overly keen on it. I do like Dada because it's got heart eyes, and I like QQ. It's quite cute. But yeah, here we go. So let's get it open. I'm excited. I'm not going to look at the card. I'm going to look away from the card so I don't know which one it is. Okay, put that over there. I'm excited. Oh, how cute. Oh, that's adorable. Oh my word. I don't know why I'm checking. I got it literally from Pop Mart stream. Yeah, I don't even know which one this is. Which one is this one? It is Baba. That's actually cuter than I thought it was going to be. Oh, I love it. Oh, Baba. Cute. Anyway, let's move on to the exciting macaron. Now, which of these do I want? Obviously, I want the lychee berry. Green grape would be cool. I don't know, I'm just not keen on most of the neutral coloured ones. I prefer bright ones, but we will see. There it is. Oh my god. And don't look at the card. Let's have a look. Oh, that's actually adorable. Okay, I said I didn't want any of the neutral coloured ones, but this will go with everything. Okay. I don't know which one this one is either. Which one are you? You are Toffee. Oh, cute. So I got Dada and Toffee. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Goes along with this one and the Look, which is on my bag at the minute. Hang on. Just grabbing my bag. How cool is my bag, by the way? Lando Norris. Yeah, I have Look on this one. The fur's a little bit weird, but yeah. So I have actually got 2 of these ones, and my aim, you saw I was a Lando Norris fan, my aim is to make this can into a can of Lando Monster. He's just come out with his own. In fact, I'll get one for you. I have a case of it here. And yeah, this. My aim is to make this can this. Can anyone help me in how to do this? Because I have no idea. I don't have a printing machine or anything. I've got a printer, but not a vinyl printer or anything. If anyone can help me with that, that would be great. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I hit 12,000 subscribers, which I wasn't expecting because it's literally been... How long have I been on? 11,800 or something. Yeah, I've gone up to 12,000 now, unless somebody's unsubscribed, which I wouldn't blame them for. But yeah, sorry, rambling. And yeah, I'm going to go now. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Adios.